The cabin air filter in 2018-2222 Honda Accords is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, open the glove box. Then, detach the stop pin, a small rod or clip, to fully lower the glove box. Locate the filter cover, which is secured by tabs or screws. Unclip or unscrew the cover to access the filter. Carefully pull out the old filter, noting the airflow direction indicated by arrows on the filter. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Avoid damaging the housing during removal. Clean the housing area before inserting the new filter. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrows match the direction you noted on the old filter. Secure the filter cover back in place, clipping or screwing it tightly. Reattach the glove box by reinserting the stop pin. Test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. It's generally recommended to use OEM filters for the best fit, though aftermarket options are available. Consider advanced filters like activated carbon filters for better odor and VOC absorption, especially in urban areas. Replace the cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually. Regular replacement extends HVAC system life and reduces repair costs. Neglecting filter changes can lead to reduced HVAC performance, increased energy use, and poor cabin air quality, affecting your health. Check for leaks post-replacement.